Hey travelers! Today I'm diving into a destination that's both mystifying and incredibly rich in culture, Iran. Before you pack your bags and jet off, let's go through some essential tips you absolutely need to know. First up, dress code. Iran is known for its conservative dress codes, especially for women. Ladies, you'll need to wear a hijab or a scarf over your head at all times in public, paired with long, loose clothing that covers your arms and legs. Gents, no shorts or sleeveless shirts either. Respectful dressing not only helps you blend in, but also shows respect towards local customs. Next, let's talk about money. Iran is mostly a cash economy for international visitors. International credit cards? Leave them at home because they won't work here. Make sure to bring enough cash, preferably euros or dollars, which you can exchange into Iranian rials. Language can be a barrier, so learning a few basic phrases in Farsi can go a long way. Simple words like salam, hello, or merci, thank you, can make daily interactions smoother and much friendlier. Here's a crucial one: social etiquette. Iranians are incredibly hospitable and often invite travelers into their homes. If you receive such an invitation, it's polite to bring a small gift, maybe sweets or flowers. Also, remember, thumbs up is considered rude here, akin to a middle finger gesture in the West, so steer clear of that. And finally, connectivity. If staying connected is important to you, purchase a local SIM card upon arrival. It's affordable and ensures you have access to mobile data throughout your travels in Iran. So there you have it. With these tips, your journey to Iran can be as smooth and enjoyable as possible. Remember, traveling is not just about seeing new places, but understanding and respecting local cultures and traditions. Safe travels and see you in the next adventure.